Just showed up here to I-85 Motorsports. Gonna be getting a bunch of stuff done today to Gold Coast. And I know what I can do and what I can't do. And when it's time to call in some professionals that can handle some business, because I'm just not the best at doing certain things. So right now we got over here to I-95 Motorsports. Gonna make a little bit of space, unpack some of these boxes that I brought with me, and get to installing some stuff. I'm not gonna spoil any secrets. You guys will just have to see what we're doing. See you in a second. All right, so I'll show you guys what we're installing today. I'm putting in this Ultimate Airlift Load Lifter 5000 Ultimate Plus, which is basically the bags and steel braided lines. It's just the upgraded one, and it also has this little cushion piece in the middle. And then for the air, we're going to be using their wireless air system, which is like a little compressor, controller, everything in one with this little remote. And then I've got a full Retrosound stereo system with subs. Here's the head unit that's going in, which is like, this is the factory bezel, and we put it onto that. And we're gonna get all this stuff installed today. So with the help of these guys, we're gonna knock it out. So you guys will see along the way. So the man who's gonna be doing all of the wiring for the radio and all that kind of stuff, my boy Eddie.
What's going on?
Right now he's putting the brackets on the amp. Pretty simple.
Pretty straightforward.
So while Eddie's working on the stereo, this right here is Kenny, and he's working on the airlift stuff. So right now we're putting in those wiring. So he's connecting all the stuff to the battery, and because it's a professional job, he's putting looming on it. That's what a lot of people might not be doing. They might just wonder wires. Wouldn't that be true, Kenny?
For sure.
So
especially when they're billing $300 to install it.
So
I don't think the guys billing $300 to install it are putting loom on it and actually giving a shit where it's ran. They're just throwing it in and screwing it up and making it happen.
So if it burns up, it burns up.
Yeah, we kind of care a little more about shit.
So that's always good to hear.
If I really cared, it'd be Chinese loom, but you know.
We can't get that in right now, though.
Nah. We won't be using much of that anymore. Hopefully they change the name of it.
Oh, that's the brand name?
I don't know.
Not really.
Not really, this guy says.
Yeah.
Does
at
it
least
say
he cared.
Chinese loom on it?
No? Alright, well, it's just a made up name.
Oh.
This plug over here plugs right into this side, and then we got positive and the negative.
We're going to call this output.
And that goes over here to this. That plugs in right there, and then power and ground. So once we get all that ran, we'll be able to start drilling and screwing and putting all that stuff on there. Eddie's loosening up the seat frame over here. Pull this out real quick. Catch you guys in a second. All right, so we're gonna be taking out the back seat because we're putting the subs in the back. We're putting the amps under the back seat. So we're gonna pull it out real quick and keep getting to business.
Boom.
And that's how you make space.
Just like that.
All the space.
Airflow and pump the shit out.
Yeah, need to clean it up a little. Nice.
What's that?
So I ran out for 5 minutes and Kenny got the lower part of the bag install done. So now we got to go to the frame with the upper bracket and then do all the plumbing and wiring and whatnot. So I think he's going to be doing that stuff in a minute. Hopefully I'll get it on video. Alright, so Kenny just pulled off the wheel and tire, and now you can see a little bit easier of what's been done. So far only the lower portion's been installed, but what we did was basically bolt it right there to the frame, or not to the frame, to the leaf spring. Now we're going to the frame. So it's looking really good. I'm gonna continue kicking ass. So back on the inside, Eddie's over here wiring up the radio and the speaker, and then we got the back seat pretty much wrapped up. We didn't bolt the back seat down, so we're gonna test everything and tune it. But I figured I'd give you guys a little update. That's what we've been doing. Alright, so now he's finally putting in the head unit. He got everything wired in beautifully, connecting them. Boom, look at that. Clean loom. That's how you do it.
Yes, sir.
I'd show you guys, but he's got fat hands.
Yeah. Yeah.
Enjoy the skull tattoos.
Yeah, enjoy them.
Alright, now while we've been inside, Kenny's been over here. And he knocked out this whole thing. So now it's all working. So we're gonna test it out in a little bit. We're gonna finish up the stereo. See you guys in a second. A little bit of under hood wiring left, and we'll be all done. Radio's in, subs in, all the airlift helper bags are in, everything's in. Just need a final wire. So a couple fuses, and we'll be finished. Once that's all done, I'm going to show you guys all the test stuff and wrap this video up. Alright, so Eddie finished up everything back here. We're about to put the seat back on for the final time. So it's got 3 subs, but the 2 in the back are something with a tweeter, so they're not 100% subs or something like that, but it sounds really good. I play some music, but it'll get copywritten. Everything fits really nice and snug. So now we're going to put the seat back on, bolt it down, and then button everything up on the dash, and then finish, and I'll show you guys the compressor and the air and all that kind of stuff in a second. All right, so just put in all the fuses, everything. Just got the controller, and got 25 psi in each bag. Walk over, bags are full, and then let's put them down to 5. You can hear the valves open, and then system works like it should. Gonna test it out tomorrow, put some real weight in the back, and see if she doesn't sag anymore. Test the system for leaks. There's no leaks. And right now Eddie is literally just wrapping up, putting back in the dashboard. And we tested the radio, tested all the speakers, everything works. But I'll show you like a beauty, everything finished in a minute once everything's done. So we'll see you guys then. All right, so ignition on. Takes a second, I think. Boom. Bluetooth audio. Thing works fantastic. And then alright, it's 20. Can hear those little compressors working. Hell yeah, everything works like it should. Let's put it back down, regular pressure. And that's it. So install the airlift, install the radio. Got some more stuff I'm trying to do this week, hopefully. I'm really trying to get the truck like situated so I could get a comfy ride out to the Grand National F100 show, which is coming up in about 2 weeks. So I want to thank everybody for watching, and if you have any questions, comment below. If you can, like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.